Arithmetic progression or AP. Find the 10th term of an AP, 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, etc. In this type of sum, the AP will be given and they will be asking you to find a particular term in the given AP. Let us find out the first term, the A, and the common difference which is generally obtained by finding the difference between the second term and the first term, or the third term and the previous term, namely the second term, and so on. So the common difference is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 4. And we are going to find out the 10th term. In this type of sum, when they ask you to find out the 10th term, we should be in a position to write directly it is A plus 90. In case they ask you to find out the 20th term, you should be in a position to write as A plus 19D. Fifth term, A plus 4D. Like that, the fluency of writing the particular term, that is the n minus 1th term, you should be in a position to say and write those terms. So when you go for the 10th term, it is A plus 9D. A is 5 and plus 9 into D. So it is a 5 minus 36 minus 31 is the answer for us. We are going to learn another type of sum in the arithmetic progressions. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15, etc. is minus 81? When such a question comes, the keyword for you is which term, and therefore we have to assume it as nth term. That is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 81. Finding the value of A, D, and all, it is a common work or the common procedure that in any AP we do. So when they ask which term is the particular given term, your job is to assume it as the nth term. In other words, we say A plus n minus 1 into D is going to be that particular term. Let us consider this example. A is a 21, that is a first term. D, A2 minus A1, that is 18 minus 21, that is equal to minus 3. Therefore, this is the key step. The nth term is going to be minus 81. A plus n minus 1 into D is minus 81. Our job is to get the value of n. Simply solving the equation and get the value of n. Let us substitute. A value we have substituted, that is a 21. N minus 1 into minus 3, that is a D value, is equal to minus 81. Then multiplying and simplifying, we get minus 3n is equal to minus 105, and therefore n is equal to 35. Therefore we say A35 is minus 81. I repeat once again, when this type of which term, the question, the key word for you is which term is that particular term. We have to assume it as the nth term is that value, and our job is to find the value of n. In this session, we are going to learn another type of interesting sums in AP, which generally comes for the short answer type. Determine the AP whose the third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. List down what it is given to us. Third term is 5, therefore A3 is 5. Seventh term is 9, therefore A7 is equal to 9. As I have been telling you, the fluency in writing the particular term, that is A plus n minus 1 into D, the term, we should be practicing it in such a way that spontaneously we write the term. A3 is a 5, and therefore A3 or the third term is A plus 2D. Seventh term is a 9. In other words, we write A plus 6D is equal to 9. In this type, once we get the two equation, we go by solving the equation by eliminating method. Subtract it, we will be getting the A and A gets cancelled. It is a 2D minus 6D, we get minus 4D is equal to minus 4, and therefore D, you have got 1. We have D, our job is to get the value of A. Substitute the value of d, and in any one of the equation, I have taken the first equation. So substituting the value of d, we get a is equal to 3. Once we know the value of a and d, writing the AP is very easy. A, the second term is a plus d, that is a 3 plus 1, 4. Just keep on adding the common difference. We will be getting the consequent terms. Therefore, it is a 3. 3 plus 1 is a 4. 4 plus 1 is a 5. 5 plus 1 is a 6, and so on. And we get the AP which is asked. Welcome to the new session in the arithmetic progression. In this session, we are going to learn just to check it out whether the given term forms a part of the given AP. Check whether 301 is a term of 5, 11, 17, 23, etc. Find out the first term. Find out the common difference. Once we find out the first term and the common difference, substitute in the general term, or we call it as the nth term. A plus n minus 1 into d is going to be just equate the given term. As we are solving, we have to get n as a positive integer. If you get the n as a positive integer, the given number is going to be the part of the AP. Otherwise not. Let us proceed. What happens to our given sum? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 301. 5 plus n minus 1 into 6, that is a d, is a 301. Multiplying and simplifying, we get n is equal to 302 by 6, which is not going to be a positive integer. As n is not a positive integer, 301 is not a term of the given AP.